Hi everyone, today, I'll be walking you through this healthcare dashboard built in Power BI, where you can review the core patient metrics and key averages. Explore patient distribution across locations. Analyze billing insight. And evaluate department performance. All in one interactive view. Now, let's dive into the dashboard. At the top left, we have the title, Healthcare Dashboard. And on the right, there's a year selector that allows you to switch between 2024, 2025, and 2026. Once a year is selected, the entire dashboard updates instantly to reflect that time frame, without the need to manually adjust any visuals. Moving into the first panel on the left. This section highlights the key metrics for the selected year, where we can see the total number of patients along with its year-on-year percentage, as well as the total billing amount with its corresponding year-on-year change. In the same panel, we also have a monthly bar chart for the patient numbers. The white bars represent the prior year, while the black bars show the selected year values. This side-by-side comparison makes it easy to track trends over time and quickly spot any unusual spikes or dips between the 2 years. Building on this overall trend, let's now look at the admission types in the patient admission panel. Patients are grouped into elective, urgent, and emergency, each shown in varying shades of green for easy comparison. You can also click on any of these categories, for example elective, to instantly filter the entire dashboard and focus on that specific group of patients. Alongside this, we have the average metrics section, which displays the average length of stay, average patient age, and average billing size. This gives you a quick snapshot of patient characteristics and resource utilization. Now, moving down to the third panel, you'll find the patient distribution by locations. This section features an interactive map, where the red bubbles represent the patient volume across different locations. The larger the bubble, the higher the number of the patients. You can also click on any location to filter the entire dashboard accordingly. This makes it easier to identify where the patients are coming from and support decisions around resource allocation. Right next to it, we have the fourth panel, Billing by Insurer. This donut chart shows how the total billing amount is distributed across different insurance providers. By selecting any segment, the dashboard updates to reflect that specific payer group. This helps you to better understand your payer mix and analyze how different insurers impact overall performance. Finally, on the right, we have the department performance section. This table provides a detailed breakdown of key metrics by medical department, including the number of patients, total billing amount, average length of stay, average patient age, and average billing size. You can also click on any department name to filter the entire dashboard. This makes it easier to compare performance across departments and pinpoint opportunities for improvement. Overall, this dashboard is designed to give healthcare teams a clear and consolidated view of patient activity. If you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, let me show you how to make this dashboard yours in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Download the template. Start by downloading the Power BI template and the Excel dataset using the link in the description below. It's completely free and easy to access. After downloading, extract the files from the zip folder, and you're done with step 1. Step 2. Replace the dataset. Now, let's open the Excel file. We'll start with the Select worksheet. It is preset for the year selector from 2024 to 2026, so no changes are needed if you are reporting within the same period. The next worksheet, Data, contains the sample healthcare data from 2023 to 2026. It includes all the key fields such as admission ID, patient age, admission type, insurer, department, billing amount, date of admission, discharge date, length of stay, center and location. Simply replace the sample data with your own records. Once the data's updated, your Excel file is ready to go. Step 3. Load your data to the BI template. Open the BI file in the Power BI desktop. If you don't have Power BI desktop yet, download it free from the Microsoft website. The link is in the description. I'm also preparing a separate time-lapse video showing how this dashboard was built from scratch. I'll add the link above once it's ready. Now, back to loading your data. Click on the Transform Data button to enter the query view. Then go to Data Source Settings at the top. Review the file selected and click on Change Source. Browse and navigate to the folder where you saved your dataset. Power BI file will then load your updated data automatically. To exit Query View and load your data, go to the top left corner and click Close and Apply. Give it some time to load your new data. And there you have it. With this healthcare dashboard, you can track patient trends and gain insights across locations and departments, all in one view. Going forward, all you need to do is update the Excel worksheet and hit the refresh button at the top to update the dashboard with the latest data. I hope you find this healthcare dashboard template helpful for your work or learning. If you are looking for more dashboard templates, be sure to check out my earlier videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.